Looks like they're trying to graze. But they're not going to be able to get a lot of grass very easily. Cows definitely can't graze. With this, they're getting more ice than grass. We're out here. We're gonna roll a few bales out for the cows. Here they come. We will take a few more trips, 2 bales to each load, till we bring enough out to satisfy them for the day. Before any of you comment on it, yes, that knife is really dull. Okay. One thing I want to point out real quick is the fact that there's snow on the cows' backs actually shows how well they're insulated. If they were losing a lot of body heat, it would be melting the snow. But instead, they have a good layer of fat and their hide is thick enough to keep them insulated and warm. Later on, they'll shake the snow off or the sun will melt it off their backs. Being that we are just feeding on this day, we left the trained dogs home. But I brought a puppy along, Cole. He sure had a fun time trying to get through the ice. Hey Cole, that's a lot of work for a little pup. Good boy. It's a good boy. And off we go again with another load. The key is to keep the cows' bellies full, because that's what keeps them warm. With the cows eating so much dry hay, they're going to be really thirsty. This storm came early on in November, and we still hadn't yet drained their summer tank and switched them over to their winter tank. Then there's that moment when your feet slip out from under you and you almost go headfirst into the tank.
It's pretty good video. I think if you just step on the belly point.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.